know where it is coming from.
Hello? 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 I beg you. Now my number be this. Yes. No new way they talk. Please, sir, I want to tell you that I am tired of covering this event. Oh. Yes, I'm already sitting outside the funeral ground. You know that, sir, please, the money that the funeral is not over. But Oga, should I wait till they bury me with this your grandmother before you pay me my money? I've been here for the past 3 days now. I don't understand this type of funeral. Even advance if you didn't give me. Oga, you know what I don't chop? No. Oga, let me tell you something. Me too. Since I came to this funeral, even pure water said they didn't give me. I've been hungry throughout. Oga, please, I can't do it again. No. Please send one of your boys to come and give me the money. Oh, I should go and do post-production. Okay, the post-production I will do now, I will delete everything. No, if you don't want to give me my money. See, if you think I didn't know anything about you, I'll be lying. They told me, they warned me that's how you take people for funeral every time. You don't pay them their money. Okay, I will delete it. Oh, if I delete it, you will deal with me. Okay, let me be honest with you. You cannot do anything. You no fit cough. You no go fit. I'm ordinary cameraman. Okay. Now you see that one where your mama funeral na mobile phone they go take cover am. Make I just delete everything. No say I no come work here today. That one when I take your techno phone cover. Take am like that. When your children grow up, show them say na what you take cover your mama funeral. Yeah. Okay, make I wait small. I dey wait. But Oga, you get someone wey say make I give you message. Oh. The caterer. She say she dey carry one cooler go. Say she no dey serve those people. Oh. Say your money don finish. Oga, which kind of funeral you dey do for your mama now? Everybody dey complain. Canopy sef, they say they no wan do again. They comot their canopy. If like say na only you go bury your mama here today. Oh. You be bad pikin. If you no bury your mama well, na curse your mama go curse you. Na you go see. But come before I delete everything. I beg you, I no dey waste time now. This na 2017. Go ask my friend wey they call Owen, wey dey somewhere now they look me. Okay, bye bye.